Welcome to Daily Tutorials. This video is going to be all about the details element, so let's get started. First, you can use the details element to provide information for users that they can open and close on demand. First, let's start with details. Next, we need the summary element, so summary. And here we're going to provide a title for our content, so let's say team's information. Next, we're going to add a paragraph. Let's put a random paragraph. Now let's check the browser. Here we have the title provided in the summary. Now we can open just by clicking on the arrow on the left. And you can close it back. Now one last thing. Details are closed by default. And you can change that just by going to the details tag and add the open attribute. Now let's check the browser. And it's open right now by default. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.